Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn about reports in Tekla Structures. You will first learn about reports in general. Then, you will learn how to create different kinds of reports. In this tutorial, we will create a bolt list, material list, assembly list, and a report based on part phases. You can create reports of the information included in Tekla Structures models. These could be lists of drawings, bolts, and parts. For example, Tekla Structures creates reports directly from the model database, so the information is always accurate. Reports can contain information about selected parts, or the entire model. Tekla Structures includes a large number of standard report templates. You can use Template Editor to modify the existing report templates, or create new ones to suit your needs. Let's create some reports. Go to Drawings and Reports, and click Reports. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl and B. Here you can see the available standard report templates. You can give titles to your reports and create the reports either from all parts or the selected parts. Let's create a list of all bolts in the model. Select Bolt List from the list of templates and click Create from All. The report opens. In the report, you will find the bolt standard, whether it's a site or a shop bolt, the bolt size, and the quantities needed in this model. Next, let's create a material list. Scroll down and select Material List by size. Click Create from All. In the report, you will get a list of all materials, organized according to size. You can also get the information on areas, which will help to determine, for example, quantities for painting. Also, the weight information is included here. Scroll down the report. Here you can see the overall weight of the structure. Next, let's create an assembly list. Go to the top of the list, select Assembly List, and click Create from All. This list includes all assemblies in the model, and the weight and area of each individual assembly in the model. Pause here to practice what you just learned. You can create reports based on the phases the model is divided into. Press Ctrl and B to show the reports dialog. Select Part Phases and click Create from All. This will give you a list of how many parts with a specific part mark are going to be in each phase. You can also go back to the model and show objects that belong to a certain phase. Double-click the background. Click Object Group. Select Phase as the property. Let's enter 2 as the value. Click Apply and OK. Click Modify and OK. Now objects that belong to Phase 2 are shown. Select the parts. Press Ctrl and B to show the reports dialog. Select part phases from the list. Click Create from Selected. Now you have a report on the objects that belong to Phase 2. Pause here to practice what you just learned. You have now reached the end of this tutorial. In this tutorial, you learned about reports in Tekla Structures. You learned how to create reports, such as bolt lists, material lists, assembly lists, and reports based on part phases.